In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Facebook app. We'll do this the safe and simple way using the Microsoft Store that comes with Windows. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click, what to look for to confirm it's the official app, and how to start the download with confidence. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. You'll usually find it on your taskbar or by opening the Start menu and typing Microsoft Store. It has a shopping bag icon with the Windows logo. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're connected to the internet so everything appears correctly. Once the store is open, go to the search bar at the top and type Facebook. Press Enter to see the results. Typing the full word helps the store bring up the most relevant match. If you see suggestions as you type, choose Facebook from the list to jump straight to the app page. Now, check whether the official Facebook app appears in the results. You're looking for the familiar blue square icon with a lowercase white f, and a publisher name that clearly identifies it as the official release. The app page should have a straightforward title, a proper description, user ratings, screenshots, and consistent branding. If anything looks off, like a strange developer name, a mismatched icon, or few to no reviews, back out and double-check you've selected the right one. If you don't see Facebook at all, it may be temporarily unavailable for your device, your region, or your version of Windows. If the official app is available, click Install to download the app. Depending on your store version, the button might say, Get first, then switch to Install. The download will begin right away, and you'll see a progress indicator. Keep the store window open while it works, and try not to put your computer to sleep. A stable internet connection will make this go faster. If the store asks you to confirm your account or accept standard permissions, follow the on-screen prompts. These are normal steps that help the store manage your apps and updates. When the installation completes, the button will change to reflect that it's ready to use, and the app will appear in your Start menu alongside your other apps. That's all there is to it. You've used the built-in Microsoft Store to find the official listing, verified it was the right one, and started the download safely with a single click. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly installed Facebook app.